you interested in learning how to find and propagate your succulent leaves for free? If you watch till the end of this video, you'll learn exactly step by step how to do this, all for free. Welcome back to Nicer Watercolors to Nature projects. If you haven't done so already, please take a quick moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified as soon as I post new videos, including in a few days, how to finish your succulent project. So, the first step to propagating succulents is finding the leaves. Let me show you how. So right now I'm out in my yard, and so the first way that you can get succulent leaves for your propagation is actually at your own house. If you have any succulents, you can either pick the bottom leaves, which I'll show you in a second, or you can also find some dead leaves on the ground that have already fallen off, and those are also really good. One important tip to know if you're choosing to get leaves that you've handpicked off of your plants is that you're going to need to dry them out. So if you find that they're wet on the ends, those need to dry out, and then you can propagate them. The second way that you can get more leaves for your succulent propagation is by going out in your neighborhood, talk to your neighbors about this succulent project that you just started, and tell them that you only need a few leaves and that you love their garden and you love their succulents. They will love this. One time, I was in my neighborhood getting some succulent leaves, talking to the neighbors. One person literally grabbed a fistful of succulents and put it in my hand. So we finished our step one. We have our leaves that we found in our neighborhood or at our house, and now we're ready to propagate. Let's get into that. You're gonna need somewhere to plant your succulents so that the roots have somewhere to grow. I'm using this compostable carton. You can use a reusable planter box or anything of that sort, and then you're going to fill it with soil and put your succulents into it with the tips under the soil. Next, you can spray it with water. Do this every few days to keep the soil moist, and this will encourage fast growth. Within a few weeks, you should see some progress. Here are some of my week to month-old plants that have already grown a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and share this video with anyone you know it would be beneficial to. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video, which will be succulent terrarium